Okay, for this problem, this is number 6 from defining the derivative. Let f of x be the function 1 over x plus 3. Then the quotient f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 all over h. And this is the difference quotient that you may have learned about in your pre-calculus days. But it gets a little complicated because we have this fraction here and it creates a complex fraction situation. So let's first of all say, what is f of 3 plus h? That's going to be 1 over, now that 3 plus h goes in place of the x, so 1 over 3 plus h plus 3. So that's going to be 1 over h plus 6. And what is f of 3? That's going to be 1 over 3 plus 3. That 3 took the place of the x. So that's 1 over 6. So what we have is 1 over h plus 6 minus 1 over 6 all over h. And if you're not comfortable with fractions, this can be rather intimidating. So we're going to go ahead and multiply. We want to get the common denominator in the numerator. I'm going to multiply the second term by h plus 6 over h plus 6. And you'll multiply the second one by 6 over 6. So that our common denominator is 6 times h plus 6. So we're going to have still this h in the denominator. And I would leave this in a factored form in the denominator in case something will divide out. So 6 over 6 times h plus 6 minus h plus 6 over 6 times h plus 6. Now let's keep going with this a little bit. So we have this common denominator down below, 6 times h plus 6. Up on top we have a 6, and then I have this minus here. I'm going to distribute it to both terms. Minus h minus 6 all over 6 times h plus 6 all over h. Go up on top, we're going to have a negative h. 6 minus 6 is nothing. And then we'll have our 6 times h plus 6 divided by h. Now, you could treat this denominator term as negative h over 6 times h plus 6 times 1 over h. And if we do that, the h here and the h there will divide out, and we end up with negative 1 over 6 times h plus 6. And if now there's nothing else to cancel, so I will distribute negative 1 over 6h plus 36. So we're looking for this form here. We have the negative 1. The coefficient to h must be a 6. And the constant b must be a 36. Okay, and that's it.